And welcome to this new course where we learn together something new as always. It's so good to learn new things, especially in the IT field when you are a software engineer, when you are a software developer. It's so important to learn new things every day because it involves so much and is so wide. You have so many different things you can know, and nowadays a developer don't just program, but he has to be good in communication. He has to be good with agile methodology, how to organize his tasks. So that's also very important. It has to be good with products, with production things, with all the DevOps things as well, servers, AWS, everything that covers actually the software. So it's not just coding and having a proper software. The developer has to dev test everything, obviously. Um, Especially if you do TDD, is much easier because the test comes first. So the test is at the higher priority, and then you code the function you already wrote the test for it. But you also need to do automation tests more and more often. Now you have nice framework like Cypress, but Cypress testing is not the tree. This one. But you also need to be good at deploying your code, and that's also very important because if you don't understand everything, you might make mistake. And more years passed, more experience you have, and better position you want to get. So you have to know everything, actually, mostly everything. When you deploy something to the server, I don't know if you have to know. You have to be good also with Docker. You have to be good with Jenkins. You have to be good with a lot of different tools. And today, actually, we will learn a little bit. Are we gonna learn about Cypress? Um, let's see if we mind. Let's see how it goes. Cypress is a really cool framework. It offers so much. How it works. Yes, I used it a little bit, but to be honest with you, I know I heard a lot of good things about it. At work in my company, some colleagues are using it, especially the automation. We have an automation team, but the developers have to be involved as well. And um, let's see, this is like they explain you really well, more or less everything. Let's go to the doc. Cypress dashboard. So let's see, Cypress features, running test. It uses Mocha actually natively, end to end, and it's really cool. And so actually that's what we are testing here. We are testing the length, the data of the to-do. We can do some Cypress stuff just quickly. Why not? So I'm doing it with you. I'm honest, like I haven't done it much. So let's just do it just very quickly a little bit. It's funny they have pricing as well. It's an open source framework, but oh, that's for the dashboard. It's this one. Yeah, so they offer actually some services. They are smart actually. They are business as well, but the framework is 100% open source. So don't worry. We'll go to our code project, and here we'll just make a new project which will be Cypress. Beautiful. So I dig into it, and now let's install it. I have already npm installed, but I'm just starting, as same as you. I haven't watched any tutorial videos about Cypress, so it will be really exciting, believe me. So while it's loading, let's go already to the dock and let's see what we can already do. That's something quick and easy. What can we do? End-to-end components API. Okay, that sounds fun. But we don't have an API running. Maybe we can use a fake. You have fake JSON API. You can have it set up. I don't know if you know this. JSON fake API. It's a package as well. JSON placeholder. JSON server, is it that one? It might be that one, but there are a lot of them. JSON server, I think it's that one, yes. We can do this, and just to test it, so we'll test with this as well. Let's copy it. I will open new tab here. And I will go again to my Cypress project, and I will install the JSON server as well. And so create a db.json file with some data, start JSON server, and then you can go there and you have the data. So this is what we are gonna test. And the Cypress basically, it will test some requests. Don't worry, it will be a short one for now, the course we are doing. More like the session we are doing together, but it's just to dig a little bit into it and to know what's up with Cypress. It looks really exciting, so we really want to dig into it. Write your first test. That's where we were, no? No, that's another page actually. Do they speak about API here? Oh no, that's the API. It's not for testing. Over there. Introduction, writing organization. Even Cypress API testing. Let's have a quick look. Testing with Cypress. Oh yeah, dev.2 I tend not really like. It used to be really good, but nowadays on dev.2 there are a lot of bad articles. Just a few lines. Sometimes it's just a self a self promotion of the library they just built. Oh, here it's not bad. Yeah, this post is good. This one is good. Yeah. Okay, finally, nice. And what do they say here? Oh, you see, it's funny because they install exactly what we are installing, the JSON server API. That's fun. Yeah, that's really cool. So fake function here, start the JSON API. Yes, this will start the JSON API employee return random employees. And then they test it. This is what we are gonna do actually. And the body is like oops. Okay, here I am. I just try to find keywords to move. Oh yeah, that's to move. Sometimes it's easier to move from tab to tab, and actually on Mac is command cap and the arrow. So beautiful. I will just go back here. I think now it's installed what we were looking to install. And your first test. I think I'm lost now. I just lost the page we had just a few minutes ago. And the name was API actually, Cypress API. Get started installing. Or maybe it was here, perhaps. Oh, and that's some environment. variables as well. The doc is really, I mean, it's really user friendly. I like it how they do it very well. Cypress open. Is it for the browser? This? Oh yeah, because you see exactly what it goes on the browser. Switching Cypress test runner. Attempt to find. Nice. This in your app. Awesome. So yes, basically we do this kind of thing. I just wanted to find where we were before. On V1 guides. Was it here? End to end? Oh, it was here, I think. Yeah, it was here. They were mentioning how more or less to test it. And Cypress and so you request it and to use a body. Let's do some cool stuff like this. What happened here?